Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a very specific, and sometimes very frustrating, diagnostic trouble code. U0422. Now, if you're a Lincoln owner or a mechanic who works on them, this one might sound familiar. But what exactly is U0422, and why is it so particular to the Lincoln brand? Let's get our hands dirty and figure it out. First things first, what does U0422 mean? The official description is invalid data received from body control module. In simple terms, it means there's a communication breakdown. Your car is made up of a network of computers, or modules, that are constantly talking to each other. The body control module, or BC, is like the central command for all your car's comfort and convenience features. Think power windows, door locks, interior lights, the security system, and a whole lot more. When another module in the car, like the powertrain control module or the ABS module, tries to get information from the BCM and receives data that doesn't make sense or is corrupted, it flags the U0422 code. It's like having a conversation where one person suddenly starts speaking gibberish. The other person knows something's wrong, even if they don't know why. So, what causes this communication error? The reasons can be surprisingly broad. It could be a simple software glitch that needs a reflash or an update from the dealership. This is often the case, especially on slightly older models, where software bugs have been identified and fixed over time. Another common culprit is a weak or failing battery. Modern vehicles are incredibly sensitive to voltage. If the battery isn't providing a steady, clean supply of power, the modules can get confused and start throwing out bad data. So, before you go tearing into the wiring, always check your battery and charging system first. It could save you a massive headache. Of course, we can't rule out wiring issues. This is where things get a bit more complex. The modules communicate over a network, often a CAN bus system. A single frayed wire, a loose connection, or a corroded pin in a connector can disrupt the entire network. This could be due to anything from rodent damage to a previous repair that was only done quite right. You'll need to visually inspect the wiring harnesses going to and from the BC. Pay close attention to any areas where the harness might rub against the chassis or engine components. And then, there's the possibility that the body control module itself is failing. Like any electronic component, the BCM has a lifespan. Internal failures can cause it to send out corrupted data or stop communicating altogether. This is usually the last thing you do want to suspect because it is often the most expensive part to replace. Replacing a BCM isn't just a plug-and-play operation either. It typically requires programming to your specific vehicle's VANG and options, which often means a trip to the dealer or a well-equipped independent shop. So, how do you diagnose U0422? Start with the basics. Get a high-quality scan tool that can read not just the generic codes but also the manufacturer-specific ones. Look for any other codes that might be present. Often, U0422 will be accompanied by other codes that can point you in the right direction. For example, if you also have codes related to low voltage, you know to check the battery and alternator first. After checking for other codes, test your battery. Make sure it's fully charged and holds a load properly. Then, inspect the wiring. Look for obvious signs of damage. If the visual inspection doesn't reveal anything, you might need to use a multimeter to check for continuity and proper voltage at the BCM connectors. You'll need a wiring diagram for your specific Lincoln model to do this accurately. If the battery is good and the wiring seems intact, the next step is to consider a software update. A quick call to your local Lincoln dealership can tell you if there are any available technical service bulletins or TSBs related to this code for your vehicle's year and model. Finally, if all else fails, you may be looking at a faulty BCM. Before you order a new one, it's a good idea to have it professionally diagnosed to be 100% sure. Swapping parts can get expensive fast, so proper diagnosis is key. To sum it up, U0422 is a communication code pointing to a problem with the data coming from the body control module. Start your diagnosis with the simple stuff. Check for other codes. Test the battery, and do a thorough visual inspection of the wiring. Only after ruling those out should you move on to suspecting the BCM itself. I hope this breakdown helps you tackle the U0422 code with a bit more confidence. It can be a tricky one, but with a systematic approach, you can track down the root cause. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment below and share your experience. What was the fix for your Lincoln? Your story could help someone else out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into diagnostic trouble codes. We'll see you in the next one.